Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop, and wanted to do a quick video, give you a heads up on a giveaway that we've got going on. If you're not aware, my friend David over at the Clack Shack and I have been hosting a weekly live stream all about lasers, CNCs, 3D printers, anything workshop related. And we call it Sunday Night Live. We've been answering people's questions. We've been talking about what's going on in the shop and just hanging out. And it's been fun. And we haven't missed a show for the past 99 weeks. We've always been there through no matter what. Sometimes we've had good or bad internet and other things, but this is 100 weeks in a row we've been doing this, and we wanted to thank our viewers. So we are giving away a laser, and our friends over at AtomStack have been gracious enough to sponsor us. You're probably familiar with AtomStack from some of my other videos. I've been doing a number of things portably with the A24, and of course, we took a look earlier this year at the A70, which is a beast of a cutting machine, as well as a plethora of other lasers that you've seen throughout my time on this channel, as well as hopefully caught some of David's over at his channel. So these are definitely one of the partners that we enjoy working with, and they said, yes, we want to come along and help you out with this milestone. So we are going to be giving away an A40 V2 Pro. This is one of their newest lasers. It's got a lot of the latest technology in there. It's got autofocus. It's got linear rails. It has the cable chain. It has limit switches. A lot of the things that we appreciate about these lasers is in this one. As a matter of fact, neither David or I have had a chance to look at that one yet, but it is very similar to the A70 in some of those features. So if you're curious about some of those, go ahead and check out those videos. But be sure to join us this Sunday, 7 p.m. Central Time. We are going to be giving away live. You've got to be present to win, because you're going to have to be able to enter the code that we give you during the live stream, and we're going to be drawing it live, and we want you to claim it live. So hopefully you can catch that and partake in this. If you do miss it, don't worry. We also have other things coming down the pike, and AtomStack has stepped up with a nice discount code on your orders. You can use the link down below, and if you're placing an order, use code VINTARI10, and it should work on most orders to get you an initial 10% off your order with them. So we want to thank AtomStack for sponsoring this. Again, we're going to be giving away that laser this Sunday, November 3rd, 2024, 7 p.m. Central Time is when we're going to be starting that live stream. We usually go for a couple hours, so make sure you can hop in, join the fun, say hi, and maybe you will be the lucky winner. So check it out. I hope to see you there, but I hope you can get out in your workshop and make something too. We'll catch you next time.